Hi, welcome back to Wallflowers. So this is just a really short video to one, test the volume to make sure that it's okay today, and two, to tell you my most frugal tip for drying clothes. So if I'm cooking in the kitchen and it's not really odorous, it's not garlic, it's not onions, it's not something that's really overpowering for smell, I'll coincide that with washing time and drying my clothes. So I'll take normal clothes hangers and I'll hang the clothing on the hangers and put them in the door well. Now that includes towels, so I'll fold them up lightly and I'll use trouser hangers and I'll hang them in the door well, giving them space, making sure there's a little space we can still walk through, and I'll hang the clothes and the trousers and the towels on the hangers, making sure that they're within the heat range of me cooking and the heat I'm using. You generally hear me saying during these cold winter periods, if it's cold and damp outside, and we're trying to minimise the heat usage of using the central heating, I'll say we don't have the heating on in the house, we're actually using the heat from the cooking. So we try and be a bit sparing. If we have to have the heating on and we're not cooking, we'll put the heating on and we'll use it that way. If we are cooking, we don't have the house heat, the radiator heaters on, we'll use the heat from cooking to heat the home and also to dry the washing. Okay, as I said, it's just a short one. I will speak to you soon. We're going to make another video later on today. Thanks for joining us. I'll speak to you soon.